Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2007 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Custom. V-twin, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected. This bike is loaded with touring accessories. It's also got brand new tires, engine guard, floorboards, chrome cover over the liquid cooling. It's got a touring windscreen, quick release. It comes with a tachometer, locking Viking side bags, beautiful backrest for your partner, belt drive, fuel injected. This bike is ready to go for just $34.99. Only 15,000 miles on this beautiful Vulcan Custom with all the touring accessories. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.